Oh my dog, where is she? I'm so sorry I'm late. Are you okay? Yeah, I'm fine. Yeah. Are you sure? You sound sick. I said I was fine. Now let's just go. Let me just check your temperature. Well, you don't have a fever. Are you sure you're fine? Yeah, I'm fine. Just let's go. I'm hungry. All right. Hello, welcome to the Green Tea Garden. Table for two? Yeah, that's fine. Would you like it inside or outside? Well, it's a nice day outside, so I guess outside. Thanks. All right. Please follow me. Here is your table. Your waitress or waiter will be out soon. Enjoy your meal. This is perfect, and look at all the beautiful flowers in nature. Flowers? Nature? Yeah, isn't it beautiful? Yeah, it's And then, ew, cover your mouth next time. Oh, sorry. Bless you. Are you okay? Yeah, I'm good. Why didn't you tell me you had allergies? You could have told me so we wouldn't have to go outside. I'm sorry. I wanted your birthday to be special, and I didn't want to ruin it by not coming to your favorite restaurant. It's okay. Let's go somewhere where there isn't much nature. Okay. How may I help you? Today? Hello? Where did everyone go?